Hello guys, today I'm going to start Python for generative AI. I have already introduced myself. You can check out my previous videos. So, you know why Python and only Python language used for the generative artificial intelligence. Let's study. Okay, actually, you heard about ChatGPT. Most people know nowadays ChatGPT. It's a very common platform for answering and question and one of the most important example of generative AI applications. You know, most of the people think that behind every AI response is a chatbot, but it's not a chatbot. It's a full-fledged factory. Today, I will show you what generative AI system actually look like inside and why Python is the language that run the factory. Okay, so let's start. So you can think generative AI system is like a very smart factory where a lot of machine work and a lot of role of every machine. Okay, so you can assume like this that there are five type of machines in generative AI factory. First machine takes user input. Second machine talks to the LLM, large language model. You have heard about bird model. ChatGPT is an example of large language model. I will explain about this later. And the third machine fetches data. Fourth machine decides what to do next. It's a logical type of machine. And the fifth and the last machine format the final answer. So you can say or you can assume that ChatGPT is just the front gate. ChatGPT is just the front gate and the real intelligence happen behind the scenes. Okay. So you can also visualize mentally like this that internally a generative AI system has five layers. Input layer where user message starts, logical layers where rules, condition and decision apply, and most important LLM layer also called as think engine of any model, LLM layer. Okay, it decide what to do next. And tool layer you can assume or you can say like APIs, databases, files. As you people are most of the non-technical, so I will explain later what is API, what is database, and what is files. And the last layer is the output layer in which clean human response. And you know, only one language, Python, connect all these five layers. So where Python fit in LLM pipelines? Actually, Python is the nervous system and LLM is the brain of that nervous system. Let me explain with reference to our human body analogy. You can assume that LLM is a brain, user input is like eyes, output like mouth, and Python like nervous system. Nervous system means without the nervous system, the brain is useless. Python is the language that sends instruction or prompts to the LLM, receives response, decide next things, next action, logical action, calling tools, and store memories. LLM don't run apps, Python run apps that use LLM. Got it? Python run application that use LLMs. This line is very powerful. Just remember this line that uh, Python run apps that use LLM. Okay. So why not other language? Why Python? Python is very simple language. But why not C++, JavaScript? Because Python is readable and most of the framework, LangChain, Transformer, OpenAI, software developer kits uses Python. That's why Python is a most preferable language for artificial intelligence. So now we are going to start some IDEs like Visual Studio Code in which we can run our code, and we also install Pythons. Okay. So actually installation of software is not a technical task. It's generally is you can say a mental shift, where you can assume that Python is an engine and Visual Studio Code or VSC that we are going to be download is a type of workshop. Visual Studio Code is the thing where we build intelligence line by line. Remember this thing. And so first of all, we are going to start installation. Okay. So guys, let's start to download Python and Visual Studio Code. Okay. Open your browser and write Python download on Google search. Okay. So you can see this is a link URL www.python.org/downloads. This is an official website to download Python package. So click on this download Python. Now you can check a lot of options available here. So click on this download and you can see under this download tab a lot of options are also available like Windows, Mac OS, Android. And as I have already working on Windows, that's why I will click on Windows. If you are working on Mac OS and other system, you can click on Mac OS. Okay. So for Windows operating system, click on this Windows. And if you are working on Mac OS, Mac operating system, then click on this Mac OS. So just click on this Mac OS. Sorry, just click on this Windows. And you can see a lot of version available here. Windows installers for Windows installers. And generally in industries, uh, Python version 3.10 to Python version 3.12 are preferred because these versions supports many framework like LangChain as well as library. So let's download Python 3.11. Okay. So click on this download window installer 64-bit. You can see Python 3.11.9 version here. And please note this point that this version only applicable for upgraded Windows version like above Windows 7 operating system. Okay, it cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier version. So click on this Windows installer, download Windows installer. You can see this file has been downloaded. Okay, now click on this file to install. Okay, so you can see a pop-up looking here, installation pop-up. So you can see this add python.exe.2 path. Please check this box. This box is very important. I will tell you why. But as of now, please check this box and click on the install now. Installing on progress. It will take few minutes. There is also documentation of Python, official documentation of Python, tutorial, Python tutorial. Let's check. Yeah, it's downloading now. Setup is currently installing. So you can check official documentation of Python are also here. Please follow this documentation for details. I will explain you one by one everything, the necessary Python statement for generative AI applications. Oh, look, the setup was successful. Now close this pop-up. Okay. Now open new tab and write Visual Studio Code. This first URL code.visualstudio.com is an official URL of Visual Studio Code. Just click on this Visual Studio Code. Just click on this download for Windows. You can see the downloading of setup. It will take a few seconds. Meanwhile, I will explain you some glimpses of documentation of Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see a lot of extensions are available: Python, C++, GitHub Pilot, Copilot, sorry. And this is our all documentation how to set up a Visual Studio Code for Windows like this. Download and install Visual Studio Code. Just we have downloaded. Install additional component if you needed. You can also install various code extension. You can also enable AI features. Everything available here. Okay. You can follow this documentation for detail. Okay, let's check. I think, yeah. Huh. Now our setup has been downloaded. Now we have to install. Just click on this, accept the agreement, click on the next. You can see a lot of option. Keep it default everything. Just check this point, add to path, make it default, keep it default. Okay. Checkbox, click on this checkbox. इसको default ही रहने दीजिए. ये चेक बॉक्स में क्लिक ही रहना चाहिए इसको. ठीक है. इफ आपके में ऐसा दिख रहा हो अनक्लिक टाइप का तो इसको चेक कर दीजिए. Add to path is a very important thing. I will explain why. I will explain everything later. But as of now, please click on this checkbox or keep it default like this way. And then click on the next. Click on the install. It's preparing to install. Now click on this finish and you can see new window of Visual Studio Code has been opened. Okay. So in this way, we have downloaded Visual Studio Code in Python. Now from next class, I will explain everything about how to make virtual environment, what is the significance of virtual environment, everything. Okay. So नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको सब बताऊंगा कैसे विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड में अपन वर्चुअल एनवायरनमेंट बनाते हैं, कैसे पाइथन कमांड्स रन करते हैं. एवरीथिंग आई विल एक्सप्लेन फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक के लिए आप एक बार अपनी तरफ से एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं इनके ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड पाइथन का भी ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एज वेल एज विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड का. बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको एवरीथिंग डिटेल्स में समझाता हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय बाय.